Hi there, and finally we have the newly launched Echo Dot 4th generation. Yeah, now this one really looks like a dot, literally from every angle. Isn't that an interesting design? Yeah, I know, I'm holding it in my hand and I'm asking you. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. We'll talk about the design, the setup, and above all, the sound quality. Alright, let's begin. So I have the white color unit, which is actually a little more like light grey and not completely white like the previous Echo Dot. Very familiar fabric mesh on the top that we see on all the Echo devices. We have the same 4 buttons placed very strategically a little behind, giving it a more clean look. The setup action button, the volume up and down button, and the mic mute button. You see the red ring light up? Looks amazing. Talking about the mic, there is no visible mics on the new Echo Dot unlike we saw on all the previous Echo speakers. Surely they are hidden somewhere behind the mesh. Towards the back is the power input and 3.5 aux out, so you can connect it to any external speaker or home theater system using a simple aux cable. The iconic ring light on the Alexa speaker, which was usually on the top, is now at the bottom. Now when I saw the pics at launch, I was like, why down? Wouldn't it be hard for anyone to see? Well, actually they look amazing below. The ring cast light on the table it's placed on, and trust me, it looks so beautiful. The size of the Echo Dot is about a seasoned cricket ball or maybe a tad bigger, and it weighs around 342 grams, light enough for you to move it to a different room or a kitchen shelf when you need it. But no internal battery to use it outdoors, so if you're looking for an Echo speaker with built-in battery, check out the Echo Input Portable. I've actually even made a detailed review video. The link for that video will be in the description. So the new Echo Dot has a 1.6-inch upward firing speaker, which should definitely sound better compared to its predecessor. Don't worry, we'll check it out in just a moment. Now for those who are considering to buy their first Echo speaker, you need to know 2 things. First, an internet connection is needed to use an Echo device. Yes, you can also use your mobile hotspot to run the Echo speaker. And secondly, you can speak to it in English and Hindi, which means it also could be a great gift for your grandparents too. You can change the language in the Alexa app settings. The Echo speaker supports two-way Bluetooth, which means you can connect your phone to the Echo speaker and play music from the speaker. And secondly, you can connect the Echo speaker to your home theater system or soundbar, and the sound will come from the soundbar and music system, which is great for house parties. So this two-way Bluetooth thing is going to be very helpful for many of us. The Echo supports a lot of music streaming apps. Amazon Music will work if you have Prime membership. If not, you can stream from Gaana, JioSaavn or Hungama. But then you can also stream from Spotify and Apple Music if you have subscription for them. All you need to do is go to the Alexa app and choose your preferred streaming app. Simple. The Echo speakers aren't just about music. It's a smart speaker that controls your smart home devices. It's a voice assistant. You can ask for the weather, general trivia questions, set reminders, set timers when you're cooking, and tons of skills that you can find in the Alexa app. Now skills are what apps are for your phone. Browse through the Alexa app and you'll be surprised what this little speaker can do. Amazing. So by default, the speaker wakes up to but I've changed it to computer as I didn't want to wake up your Echo devices, which I probably already have done a couple of times. Now you can too change it to Echo, Amazon or computer in the Alexa app. In case you want to change it, comes really handy because it wakes up a lot of devices. Alright, enough details. Setup process is fairly simple. Press and hold the action button till the ring turns orange. Go to the Alexa app on your phone and click on the Add Devices. You'll see your Echo Dot show up. Provide your Wi-Fi details, and the device is set up in a couple of seconds. If you want to use your Echo device with your mobile internet, make sure your hotspot is turned on your phone. Alright, time to play some music. Now I can't play some popular tracks because of copyright issues, so I'll play some music from my phone via Bluetooth. Also before that, here's how it actually sounds. Computer, what's the weather in Mumbai?
Right now in Mumbai, Maharashtra, it's 32 degrees Celsius with partly sunny skies.
The blue ring reflection on the table is really eye-catching. I'm loving it. McDonald's, please don't sue me. Alright, time for some music. So to start, the sound is a lot more crisper and brighter than the previous Echo. The clarity is really impressive for such a small speaker. The bass is okay. Come on guys, it's a 1.6 inch speaker. What do you expect? But of course, it's not completely flat. The lows are pretty decent. Overall, the speaker sounds really rich and sharp. Definitely better than previous Echo Dots in terms of sound quality. Hey, how about a comparison video of the two Echo Dots? Write down in the comments and let me know if you like to see that comparison. I think it should be fun. Well, in terms of features, it can do exactly what even the first generation Dot can do. But one thing it does better than all of them is sound quality. It's absolutely amazing. It's a great bedside speaker. It's a great small speaker for your office desk or kitchen shelf. In fact, you can even check out the Echo Dot 4th generation with clock. Of course, but that will cost you about 1 or 1.5 grand extra. Trust me, that will be worth it if you need a clock on your desk. It's great handy. Now I'm actually liking the design more than I thought I would. It looks clean, smaller buttons, and sits more aesthetically on your table than ever before. It's available in 3 colors, white, black and blue. It's selling for 3,249 and just for 50 rupees more, you get a 9-watt Wipro smart bulb. Now these prices are probably for very short time as the Amazon sale is on. So if you're considering a smart speaker, grab one right now. I'll leave the link below in the description of the Echo Dot as well as for the combo deal. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. Yeah, the comparison video of the two dots is also coming soon, so make sure you subscribe. Don't want to miss that video. Okay, if there are any questions, feel free to mention them down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like and share. Until next time, cheers.